Welcome back, children, to the line-wise paraphrasing of Act 5, Scene 1, beginning from line number 72. So, Prospero is speaking this line from line number 171. He says that these lords at this encounter do so much admire that they devour their reason and scarce think their eyes do offices of truth, their words are natural breath. He says these lords are so wonderstruck at this meeting that almost they have lost their reasoning power. They scarcely believe what they see, which is a reality, and what they hear are real words. But howsoever you have been jostled from your senses, he says, but no matter how much you have lost your senses, know for certain that I am Prospero and that very Duke. So he says, but you believe, I assure you, that I am Prospero and the same Duke which was thrust forth of Milan, that is, who was thrown out of Milan, who most strangely upon this shore, who landed in a most strange manner on this island, where you were wrecked, was landed to be the lord on it. And I landed under very strange circumstances on this shore where you have been wrecked, and I became the lord of this island. No more yet of this. He says, well, I'm not going to talk more about this story, for 'tis a chronicle of day by day, because it is a story that will take many days to relate completely. Not a relation for a breakfast. He says it is not such a brief story that it can be completed at one sitting like for breakfast, nor befitting this first meeting, nor should it be narrated on the first meeting. Welcome, sir. So he says, welcome you, sir. This cell's my court. He says that this cell is my courtroom. Here have I few attendants, and over here I have a few people attending on me, looking after my needs, and subjects none abroad, and I do not have any subjects on this island. Pray you look in. He says, I request you, please look inside my cell. My dukedom, since you have given me back, I will requite you with as good a thing. He says, since you have returned my dukedom to me, I will repay you with a big favor like yours. At least bring forth a wonder to content ye as much as me my dukedom. He says, well, at least I shall try to surprise you with a discovery which will satisfy you and make you as much happy as the restoration of my dukedom has satisfied me and made me happy. The entrance of the cell opens and discovers Ferdinand and Miranda playing at chess. So the entrance of the cell opens and they see that Miranda and Ferdinand are playing a game of chess and they are talking to each other. Miranda, sweet lord, you play me false. So she's talking to Ferdinand and saying that, sweet lord, you are cheating me. Ferdinand, no, my dearest love, I would not for the world. He says, no, my dearest love, I cannot play foul with you even for the sake of the whole world. Miranda, yes, for a score of kingdoms you should wrangle, and I should call it fair play. So she says, no, my dearest love, that if you were supposed to get 20 kingdoms, you would definitely quarrel with me. And I love you so much, dear, so much that I would call it a fair play, even though you were not fair. Alonso, if this prove a vision of this island, one dear son shall I twice lose. He says that if this sight were to disappear as suddenly as the visions I have seen before on this island, then my grief would be as great as if I were to lose my dear son for the second time. Sebastian, a most high miracle. He says, a most wonderful miracle. Ferdinand, though the seas threaten, they are merciful. I have cursed them without cause. So he looks at his father and he is amazed. He says, though the ocean looked very threatening, it has spared the life of my father. I have been cursing the seas without any reason. Kneels to Alonso. So he kneels down before his father. Alonso, now all the blessings of a glad father compass thee about. He says, oh, now may all the blessings that a happy father can shower on you surround you to protect you against harm. Arise and say how thou camest here. He says, get up and tell me how you arrived here. Miranda, oh wonder, how many goodly creatures are there here. He says, how wonderful, how many handsome humans are here, how beauteous mankind is. Oh brave new world that has such people in it. So he says, how beautiful mankind is. Oh beautiful new world that is full of such charming people in it. Prospero, 'tis new to thee. He says, well, I know it. This world of humans is certainly a new thing for you, Miranda. So Alonso, what is this maid with whom thou wast at play? So he asks his son Ferdinand that who is this damsel with whom you were playing chess? Your eldest acquaintance cannot be 3 hours. So he says that your acquaintance with her cannot be for more than 3 hours duration. Is she the goddess that had severed us and brought us thus together? He asks him that is she the goddess who first brought about our separation and now she has made our reunion? Ferdinand, sir, she is mortal. So he says, well, sir, she is a human being. She is very much human. But by immortal providence, she is mine. But he says that by the grace of God, she has promised to be my wife. I chose her when I could not ask my father for his advice, and nor thought I had one. He says that I selected her to be my bride at a time when it was not possible for me to consult my father because I thought that you were dead. She is daughter to this famous Duke of Milan. So he informs his father that she is the daughter of the famous Duke of Milan, Prospero, of whom so often I have heard renown, that is, whose name has been frequently mentioned and praised, but never saw before, but whom I had never seen before, of whom I have received a second life, and he has given me a second life, and second father this lady makes him to me, and this lady has given me a second father because she has agreed to get married to me. Alonso, I am hers. So he says, well, I am, in that case, I have become her father. But how oddly will it sound that I must ask my child forgiveness? He says, but I have to seek her pardon, though it will appear very strange that a father-in-law should seek the forgiveness of his daughter-in-law. Thank you.